Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the ingredients. Collect tidy price history, fundamentals, and news. Clean timestamps and remove duplicates so the model sees reliable patterns. Next, set a concrete objective, for example, generate entry signals or size risk, because models only optimize a clear goal. Once done, select the timeframes you'll target and save datasets in CSV or a proper database. These steps prevent garbage inputs and let the LLM focus on signal logic rather than bad data. Now you create prompts and connect the LLM to your analytics. Craft prompts that give context, specify the task, and include one or two examples. This anchors outputs. Then pair the LLM's outputs with quantitative filters, for example, a moving average rule or volatility cap, because text recommendations alone aren't tradable. Also set up a simple scoring rubric to convert suggestions into numeric signals. Make sure to iterate. Refine prompts, add examples, and rerun backtests to see what changes. Finish by validating and operationalizing your system. Backtest on out-of-sample periods and record return, drawdown, and sharp so you know real performance. Once satisfied, deploy to paper trading and automate execution and comprehensive logs. This reveals slippage and edge cases. Then move to live with tight controls. If something goes wrong, check for data drift first, new market regime, or input mismatches, and either retrain on recent data or roll back to a known good prompt and model version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.